Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to send WhatsApp messages from Microsoft Excel. Now, let's say you want to send a message to several people reminding them of their due payment for, let's say, their rent. So here's a table with the names of those people, amount they'll need to pay, and their WhatsApp phone numbers. Now, let's create the message we'll be sending them. Let's go here and let's go to the formula bar. So let's go and type in equal sign, double quote, hi, space, double quote, ampersand, and then click on the cell which has the name, and then ampersand, double quote, comma, double quote, ampersand, click on the cell that has the amount, ampersand, double quote, space is due, period, please pay ASAP, exclamation point, and then double quote and hit enter. All right, so as you can see here, that's the name. We have the amount and then the message. From here, just click drag and drop to the last cell, and the name and the amount should be updated. Now let's go over to the WhatsApp link. It would have the link, and when you press that link, it will send the WhatsApp message. So from here, let's go again to the formula bar. Let's type in equal sign, type hyper, and then just double click on the formula here. And then let's type in double quote, HTTPS. Let's make that smaller. HTTPS colon 2 forward slashes web.whatsapp.com/send question mark phone equal sign double quote ampersand. Click on the phone number cell and then ampersand again, double quote, ampersand, type text equal, double quote, ampersand, and then the message, comma, double quote, and then what you'll be typing here would whatever show up here. So let's say send message, double quote, and close parentheses and hit center. So as you can see here, here is the link that is clickable. And then all we have to do is go there and let's drag and drop. All right. Now, let's go ahead and try it out. When you click this link, it should open the browser, open your WhatsApp through the web. And as you can see here, we're sending this message to the stranger. This is the message and the same name here. And all you have to do from here is press the send. And even before you click that link, you have to make sure you have to log in your WhatsApp first so that it will be smooth. Then let's click this one and it will open. And as you can see here, this is for me. And then I'll send it. And then let's try the last one. Then as you can see here, the same name. And this is our message. And just click send. And that's it. That's how you can send WhatsApp messages from Microsoft Excel. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.